Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Tucson. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, let's take a look on the left side of the car. Next to your left foot you've got this lever. Simply pull it. Now when hood is unlocked, let's go to lift it up. Now locate the lever, which is right above the Hyundai logo. Pull it upwards and now you can lift up the hood. The lever is located right here. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.